Don't look at the phone, look at the sky, baby.
Another fire truck going? Shoot.
They're going up.
Oh, look how pretty.
Be
Look,
fired.
Jaden, look, it's the end. It's the very end. Watch the sky, Alexis.
They did one that's red, one that's white, one that's blue. Just do them like opposite.
How pretty.
Look at that.
I like the red and green. It makes me think of Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There goes the end. Watch the sky, baby.
Oh, there's another
Oh,
fire.
cool.
Yep. Heading up the gateway.
Turning up the gateway. Is that it?
Might be.
No, they're not going to the
Oh,
terrace.
it's not it yet. Wow, that was cool. I like them gold things. Okay, down.
I do too.
Yeah, those are cool.
Makes them look like jellyfish. Makes them look like jellyfish.
Why do you get hold of them?
Look at your sky, not your phone.
Oh, that
said
one.
my brother said that he was at the park.
Wow,
That's a big one.
that was a giant one. It's not the end yet, Jason.
Beverly and Chelsea watching fireworks too.
They are.
Yeah.
Look how pretty.
What'd they say
Are
they?
they over? Yeah.
No, they're not over. You need to look at the sky, not your phone. You're missing it. You need to look at real life, not your phone life.
That's right.
Looks like she's been covering the camera the whole time anyways.
I think she has. It's black.
Yeah, I saw her hand over the camera.
Yeah, she's missed some of it.
No, all of it probably.
No, she got some of it. I was watching a little bit. Oh, that's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Like purple and green.
Such a late reaction. Yeah, that's being there. Uh-huh.
No shame that Randy won't wake up.
Wendy is awake already.
He is.
He's tired.
This should be the end.
Yeah, this is the end. Don't look at the phone. Look at the horizon. Put it down so you can record it and then look. Look, J-Dawn, you're missing it. You're missing it. This is it. This is the end.
Don't go inside.
Don't go inside yet. Watch.
Watch it.
That's the end of it.
What's up with all the green and red?
I
Christmas
know.
time coming up.
Yeah, coming up in like 5 months, 6 months.
Did you ever hear of July Christmas?
No.
I have had July Christmases.
That's
When is it gone?
Oh, it's not done yet. Are you bored? Really?
That was just boring.
Yeah, he just wants to
This is pretty.
play the game.
It's very pretty. J-Dawn, come out here. He's done. Can't believe he left. Oh, he's back out. I want a hot dog.
I need
It's
food.
still going on. Hey, Jason. He says, watching these fireworks makes me want to poop.
It's right over here.
You got food
When?
too?
Makes me want to eat a hot dog.
I know, really, right?
I'm gonna get me one.
You
You watching the sky?
I want some drink.
Keep her steady and watch the sky.
Drink water. Water. Okay, hang on a minute.
Oh God, Nathan, really?
Yeah, it was.
Fuck.
Hey, what?
You trying to kill me on your left?
Foil. Just dripped it.
That was strong.
Look like it is. I mean, it's not. It's not.
What the
I dripped it.
heck is that stuff?
Easy
I
smoke.
know, it was,
Called pastry parts.
like, this stuff hurts my lungs. I can't. You'd think I'd be able to handle smoking, but I need to stop smoking. They're still letting them off. And J-Dawn came back out.
That boom was such a late reaction. Well done.
Ooh. Really? Nathan? Really?
What's it?
Oh, here's one.
That one's kind of pretty.
Can't believe they're not over yet. That's surprising.
I thought it was gonna be just as crappy
What
as
time is it?
last ones that they had.
What time is
It's
it?
like 10:10. 5 more minutes. And they'll be done.
16.
Oh, they've actually lasted 15, 16 minutes. I'm impressed. This might last 4 more minutes if we're lucky.
Mama, look, it's a freaking dog.
Look, Jadon, look.
Look here.
That's purple.
I like how this guy.
Purple.
I did too. It's pretty.
Ever?
I don't think so. They have a finale where they put a bunch of them on.
Yeah.
Finale works
Hey,
as well.
good saying.
You're so annoying. You're just annoying to the kids right now.
And you're not.
Oh my.
You're annoying as freaking kids.
I couldn't stand it.
But you're annoying me.
You're the one who doesn't stop talking.
That's the same way
Well,
I
you're
feel about
annoying
my
me
family.
by telling me I'm talking wrong. Shut up.
Gosh.
God, get over yourself.
Maximum.
Tomato, really? Finale,
Tomato, tomato.
Careful there, dear.
Girlfriend.
Here comes one.
I almost
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the finale.
Why?
Finale.
Gold.
Jason, the finale. The final act.